Our topic for today is all about orthogonal. On and off. Orthogonal, it derives from a Greek word orthogonios, which means involving right angles. The cursor movement is restricted only to horizontal and vertical directions, but now I'm using the method of I'm just snapping it to make a vertical and horizontal lines here. I'll just snap it first, then I'll pick another point and snap. You can restrict your cursor movement to a horizontal and vertical directions only. If you want to do some precision in making or creating and modifying objects or lines. The easiest method here is to click the icon here, the right angle icon here. From the definition involving right angles, the icon is right angles. If that is on, the movement you can do only is vertical and horizontal. See? Click again. If you click this, it will restrict your movement. The other method is in your keyboard, you just press the F8, the function keys. It will also turn on and turn off the orthogonal command. Let's review. Press F8 to turn on and off your orthogonal, and also the icon here, the right angle icon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my video. Thank you. Bye bye.